This video provides a case interview walkthrough for Medlines, a Greek ferry operator looking to grow its revenue. Medlines is a mid-sized operator connecting Athens to Crete, Mykonos, and Rhodes. Regulators require year-round, daily service on all routes. Our task is to identify where Medlines can grow revenue. Before starting, we clarify that revenue growth is our primary goal, though we should note any moves impacting margins. Additionally, we treat the regulatory minimum service requirements as fixed for this analysis. To solve this, we use a three-lens framework, evaluating market and route economics, maximizing onboard revenue streams, and defining the optimal fleet and growth strategy. Analyzing fleet profitability reveals that Type 3 ferries are the most efficient. Despite smaller capacity, they achieve the highest revenue per passenger through a leaner cost structure and higher utilization. A quick win is available in food and beverage sales. Renegotiating the revenue share from 20% to 35% could generate an incremental 4.2 million euros in annual revenue, based on roughly 10 million passenger legs. We must consider three key risks: regulatory constraints on pricing and capacity, the challenge of managing significant seasonal demand shifts, and the integration risks associated with acquiring a competitor like Italian Seaways. Our recommendation is to prioritize the F&B contract renegotiation, shift future fleet investments toward the Type 3 profile, and carefully vet any potential acquisitions for true seasonal complementarity. You can try this case yourself, complete with a live AI coach for feedback by visiting the link on your screen. Thank you for watching.